If you are tired, you won't be alert, so you must pass on the shift to more visual rangers.
It's not all about suspecting and looking for poachers and so on. It is all about having fun, being in the bush while you are home, and maybe being in a bush while you are at restaurant, being in the bush while you are at your office. They can see how the impala lives in the bush. They can enjoy watching the impala running around and doing whatever that they're doing. They can enjoy learning more about animals' behavior and how the animals communicate with each other. So it's basically not much about looking for the poachers or looking at a limping animal or whatever, but there are so many nice things that you can enjoy while you're streaming live. The animals' behavior, the sounds of animals, seeing baby impalas, there are so many interesting things that people can look out for when they're streaming. What I love most about sweeping is that I get to see animals near them, and I get to see how they behave, and I also get to learn about the bush itself every day, because there are so many changes that are happening in the bush. So I get to learn about trees and grass. I see different snakes when I'm doing my sweep. And I also learn how I should behave when I come across lions and elephants on my sweep. So then I know the challenges, or I know how to react when I come across animals in that kind of a situation. I mean, harmful animals in that kind of situation.
You need to be alert at all times. Animals and poachers can appear at any time. Tired eyes are dangerous for animals. All our senses must be alert when on patrol. You must always pass on your shift if you are feeling tired.
Always pass on the shift. Make your time count. A visual ranger is always alert. Take the watch. Look out for my films on how to be a visual ranger.